Hello everybody. How you doing? I do really hope that everything is great and you doing well and your well-being is great as well. So do not forget that my name is Alex, and on a daily basis I'm just trading and earning money. Of course, like my spends. I mean, if you take a look, if you enter my bank account and just take a look at my spends, it's just some crazy things. I mean, I do really like spending money to get more and more emotions. I'm not really a materialistic person, so I would love to be receiving emotions. Yeah, I'm spending a lot, but thanks to the trading that I'm able to spend a lot. Really, I'm really very much grateful for that. And of course, I would love to somehow assist you in this case as well. And the main platform where I can do it is the Telegram, and I'm having the private chat right there. And I will be very much grateful if you just enter there. And do not forget to leave a like on this video, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So let's just get started. Let's just start everything. Let's just start earning and everything. By the way, I would like to remind you that I'm having $120 as an initial balance for this video. So let's just start. First of all, the candles are going to be the chart type, the indicators. We're going to be using the vortex. We're going to be using, where's the zigzag? Oh, here we go. The zigzag is going to be here, and maybe that's it. Yeah. Oh, thanks God. I mean, I thought that I'm going to be deleting all of them. All right, let's just move the moving average. Not move, just let's add the moving averages right there. Showing the period, main star is going to be green right here. It's going to be red. Saving that. Vortex period is going to be 10. Everything is correct regarding the colors. Let's go. First bet is going to be $120. I mean, I guess you are already used to that. I'm always like betting all in. I'm just betting all my money. So right now, what I expect a rebound upwards, and this is what is gonna be happening. I'm totally sure about that. So this is the main reason why I'm just sure about it. And there is a potential breakthrough the moving average. I mean, both of them, by the way, moving averages, both of them. We have already broken through the first one. We might be having sorry for that, guys. I do apologize. I'm just having the Telegram notifications. Yeah, we might be breaking the second one as well. So let's just wait for that. And here we go. $230. My balance, perfect, nice. The first bet won, great and nice. Let's move to euro and British pounds. Oh, what the hell? $230. I would love to be going for long, guys, because what the hell is going on, to be honest? There was a sharp drop into the oversold zone, and honestly, this bet is very much risky. However, I assume that we're gonna be having a technical rebound, because wow, the situation is not really easy though. It's not really simple, I would say. Yeah, so the risky situation I'm having, but thanks God I can afford those risks. And by the way, do not forget that, like, to be able to record new video, I need money. I'm earning this money, just using for my own personal things. After that, investing some of them. Start again, earning and shooting the videos for you. There you go, 442. I mean, this situation was really very risky, and if I were you, I would not really do it. I would not really bet there. But I knew that I have some money like in my balance, so this is the main reason. These are not lost my money. That's the main reason why I'm not really worried about it. pounds and the dollars. Let me change the amount to 442. Going for short, guys, because the candles, even though we were having like a lot of candles, like a lot of green candles, and we have touched the zigzag. You can see the zigzag right there. After that, we had the red candle, and if you take a look at the vortex, we are able to see that we are in the overbought zone. And mainly owing to vortex, I believe that we should be going for short, to be honest. There you go, $782 right there. Okay, now I'm gonna be moving forward. I see Australian Canadian dollars though, and first of all, let me make a bet. Let me type the amount right here and making the bet, and right now I'll let you know what is happening right here. So the price has moved to below the zigzag, and it just tries the moving averages. You can see that it has already broken through the one of them, and it approaches the second one. And if you take a look at the vortex, we can see that everything is purely obvious that the buyers are very much weak right now. Or I would say this, I would rephrase my state. I would love to say that the sellers, they have entered the market, and this is the main reason why the buyers are not enough right now to be able to raise the money, raise the price. So 2 seconds until I want another bet. $1,500. In other words, $1,500. Obvious, clear. $1,501 I'm betting, and I'm going for sure. The opening spot was not really great. However, oh my god, too many nice and positive signals that I'm receiving right now. First of all, the price is below the zigzag. Second of all, we have already broken through the moving average, one of them, and we are approaching the second of them. Third of all, vortex. We exiting the overbought zone, easy, and inverted hammer pattern has been formed. That's it. So we are having the rebound, by the way, easy and clean and clear. There you go. Oh my god, look at the balance. It's so nice. I do really like the sevens, but look at it, 2,777. Wow. Euro and francs though. I don't know why, but I still, I keep yawning. $500 right there. We're going for short, guys, because look, the prices right now very much below the moving averages, both of them, and it just keep declines. It just keep declines. Yeah, you can see that, like, the zigzag can't even do anything. It just keeps declining, and that's it. So guys, we are, I guess, forming the new minimum for the zigzag in this situation right now in the market. However, we are having 12 seconds left, and I would like to remind you again and again and again that I'm having the Telegram private group where I'm explaining and giving you and sharing that all detailed information regarding the indicators, regarding my balance, regarding everything. By the way, we won $3,237 in my balance right now. I made it from $120 if I'm not mistaken. So everything is obvious, everything is clear and clean, everything is straightforward and plain. So if you are willing to earn, guys, it's absolutely for free to join the Telegram private group. I'm not charging for anything, I'm not asking for anything. By anything I mean money. So your money, your account, my indicators, I'm helping you earning this is how we're gonna be working and cooperating together. So if you stayed until this, thank you for watching. Do not forget to leave a like on this video, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. I love you all. Goodbye.